Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you the best budget-friendly running shoes for men that deliver great comfort, durability, and performance without breaking the bank. Whether you're a beginner, a casual jogger, or a seasoned runner looking for an affordable option, we've got you covered. We'll be featuring lightweight designs, cushioned soles, breathable materials, and excellent traction to help you find the perfect pair for your runs. Ready to step up your running game without overspending? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 5. Brools Launch 9. If you're a runner looking for speed and durability, the Brools Launch 9 is the shoe for you. This lightweight option is engineered for speed while maintaining the durability needed for regular training. The Bio-Mobo midsole strikes a balance between softness and energy return, ensuring a cushioned but responsive ride. The nearly full-coverage rubber outsole enhances durability and grip, while the lightweight mesh upper provides breathability. Overall, the Brools Launch 9 offers great value for money for runners seeking performance on a budget. The Brools Launch 9 is specifically crafted for neutral runners looking for a shoe that can keep up with their pace. Its streamlined design and Bio-Mobo DNA cushioning offer dependable support, making each mile faster and more comfortable. If you're unsure about the size, it's recommended to order Brooks running shoes 1/2 to 1 size larger than your dress shoe for the perfect fit. The Launch 9 features an innovative re-engineered upper with creel warp mesh, an exceptionally lightweight and breathable material. This ensures superior ventilation, keeping your feet cool and dry throughout your runs. Additionally, the upper incorporates hints of reflectivity, boosting visibility for added safety on the road during low-light conditions. Brooks has taken cushioning to the next level in the Launch 9 by adding more Bio-Mobo DNA cushioning to the midsole. This upgrade provides an even faster and more responsive ride without unnecessary added weight. The result is a shoe that propels you forward with each stride, making it an excellent choice for speed and tempo workouts. The redesigned midsole of the Brools Launch 9 now boasts a 2 mm increase, offering runners improved responsiveness during their runs. This enhancement enables quicker transitions from heel to toe, making the shoe ideal for runners seeking a dynamic and reactive ride. Number 4. Nike Winflo 9. Known for its high performance and expensive running shoes, Nike also caters to budget-conscious runners with the Winflo line. The Nike Winflo 9 features updated cushioned foam, delivering improved responsiveness and a full-length Nike weld air unit for added bounce and support. The mesh upper includes a midfoot strap, creating a secure and comfortable fit. For those seeking an affordable everyday running shoe from a reputable brand, the Winflo 9 is an excellent choice. The Nike Winflo 9 boasts a winning combination of style and comfort. The upper features translucent mesh, providing optimal breathability to keep your feet cool and dry during even the most intense workouts. This thoughtful design element ensures a comfortable running experience, making the Winflo 9 an excellent choice for both warm and cool weather conditions. The Nike Winflo 9 introduces a significant improvement in its cushioning technology. Building on the success of its predecessor, the Winflo 8, this latest version incorporates updated cushion foam for a springier and more responsive feel. The enhanced cushioning not only delivers unparalleled comfort but also adds a noticeable bounce to your stride. Number 3. Saucony Guide 15. For runners seeking a supportive and comfortable option, the Saucony Guide 15 is an excellent choice. The latest iteration features a new Purin midsole foam that offers increased cushioning while reducing weight. This shoe is about an ounce lighter than its predecessor, making it more agile and comfortable. The Purin Saucliner enhances the step-and feel, and the guidance frame corrects overpronation. With Saucony's dedication to creating a supportive running experience, the Guide 15 offers excellent value for money. One of the standout features of the Saucony Guide 15 is its softer and lighter Purin formula. This advanced midsole material offers a thicker stack of cushioning, providing optimal impact absorption from heel to toe. As you stride, you'll notice a smooth and plush feel that helps reduce fatigue and enhances your overall comfort during long-distance runs. Saucony has taken a minimalistic approach to underfoot support with its Holotech technology in the Guide 15. This design allows the shoe to offer the necessary support while keeping the overall weight down. The result is a shoe that won't weigh you down or feel bulky, perfect for runners looking to maintain agility and speed without compromising on support. the Saucony Guide 15 takes comfort and support to the next level with its unique midsole construction. By carving out the midsole and creating a deeper footbed. Number 2. Brooks Trace 2. The Brooks Trace 2 is an ideal choice for new runners, designed to provide a smooth and cushioned ride that will keep you hooked on running. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the Trace 2 features Bioemogo DNA foam for adequate cushioning and an updated mesh upper for enhanced breathability. The segmented crash pad construction allows the shoe to flex with your foot, offering flexibility and durability. Brooks continues to impress with this reliable and affordable option for beginners. One of the key aspects that set the Brooks Trace 2 apart is its soft cushioning system. The shoe incorporates Bioemogo DNA cushioning, a cutting-edge technology that adapts to your unique running style. Whether you're sprinting or going for a leisurely jog, this cushioning system adjusts to your speed, stride, and weight, effectively deflecting impact away from your body. This translates to a smooth and comfortable ride mile after mile, reducing the strain on your joints and muscles. Fit is paramount in a running shoe, and Brooks has taken no shortcuts in ensuring the utmost comfort and security with the Trace 2. The 3D Fit print technology molds the shoe to your foot, providing a secure and glove-like fit. This not only enhances comfort but also reduces the chances of slippage and hot spots, making it an excellent choice for longer runs. The air mesh upper further complements the fit by offering optimum airflow. Keeping your feet dry and comfortable even during intense workouts, the Brooks Trace 2 boasts a segmented crash pad, strategically placed to cushion your landings effectively. This feature ensures a smooth and seamless heel-to-toe transition, providing an effortless feeling with each stride. Whether you're taking off or landing, the shoe supports your foot throughout the entire running motion, minimizing the risk of injury and maximizing your performance potential. Number 1. Skechers G-Oran Pure 3. The Skechers G-Oran Pure 3 is a lightweight running shoe that doesn't compromise on cushioning. Known for its well-cushioned midsole and soft, breathable upper, this shoe provides a comfortable running experience without breaking the bank. With the return of the responsive TPU-based Ultra Flight Foam in this third iteration, you can enjoy an excellent blend of support and responsiveness at an affordable price. The Skechers G-Oran Pure 3 sets itself apart with its patented Skechers Arch Fit insole system, which boasts podiatrist-certified arch support. Skechers collaborated with experts and analyzed 2 decades of data and 120,000 unweighted foot scans to design the podiatrist-inspired shape. This ensures that your arches receive the support they need to prevent discomfort and reduce the risk of common foot issues associated with running. The shoe's removable insole is a standout feature that takes customization to the next level. By molding to your unique foot shape, the insole not only increases comfort but also reduces shock during impact. This is particularly important for runners who are prone to foot fatigue or require extra cushioning.